double checking before you go crazy. Yeah. Alright, triple checking. Alright, thunder sets, good. Put some Alright. Let's do this. Zero it on the ring, which is an 1/8 inch, 125. Alright. 13. Let me go 10. Alright. So I need to go 4 1/2. Let's go 3. Alright. Put some lube on there. Okay. Yeah, I got pin gauges and I got Johansson blocks and one. It says 1 1/2, so I'm gonna take 1. All right, there's 1. It's like half a thou according to my. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, look at that. So that's the fit in that one. I think this one's just a smooch tight. Yeah, it's a smooch tight. Let me go half a thou as best I can manipulate this thing half a thou. Alright. I kind of like that. Still tight. You go just a little bit. Alright. Oh yeah. It fits with just the lightest little bit of wiggle, just a skosh. Well, there goes the piston ring and the chip paint. I'll grab it later. But blow this off. Let's see. You file, break this edge. You guys can see. This has got a safe edge on both sides of this file. Kind of nice. It's actually a factory-made safe edge. It's a rounded safe edge. It's actually an Oregon chainsaw file. I think it's for filing rakers. It's Swiss made. They had them at, I forget, I think it was Lowe's for, I don't know, $5-6. So you can't beat the quality, and they're single cut, they're not double cut. I think I bought maybe 5 or 6 of these, just because, like I say, they're made in Switzerland and they're good quality. I know Nicholson sold out to, I guess, Mexico, and everybody's saying, you know, how bad they are. This is a fun project. I do a lot of stuff in this Sagami lathe. It's amazing how many things that you can do, and you don't need a tailstock. I know you're all waiting for me to get that file and that cross pin. I'm careful. Alright, that's good. Try again. I don't know. Alright. I guess it's essentially done. Yeah. I mean, it's not perfect. We go handheld and kind of show you. All right. So I'm kind of steady. This light is better off. All right, maybe it's better off. So that's. Hold on. All right. So that's the final product right there. Alright, so let me point. So that's the oil groove. And I guess that's a compression ring or a scraper ring. And there, I guess that's a scraper and then compression, compression. So this is the top groove that needed to be fixed, okay? That's the groove. The thing is, this land was so thin, when I welded it, I just burned right through it because it's so thin. It's so hard to do. So then I was into this groove, the second compression ring. So I completely knocked this down on the lathe. I didn't show that. But I took this land out. So it needed to repair this, and basically I welded up to this land, okay? So I really had to be careful going around not to melt this completely away. I had the piston ring in here, and I had to be real careful. So if you look, I know this camera doesn't focus well. I got a, let me put my pointer real bit. There's a little bit of, you know, where it just looks like the weld just kissed it, but it really still is a good edge. I'm trying to go with the glare. Maybe if I turn the light. Okay. I don't know. But I think it's pretty good. That's just the edge of the weld. I had the piston ring in that groove. And, you know, it still is nice and tight. It's hard to weld aluminum and not burn over your edge. I don't do it every day. I think I'm an okay welder at aluminum. If I've done it more, I'd probably be a lot better. But I know the penetration's there. I know it's definitely going to stick and be it's going to last for a good many years. So anyhow, I guess this concludes fixing the piston for Jonathan's 1928 Franklin. The name escapes me for a second. Yeah, 1928 Franklin. So I'm very pleased to be able to help Jonathan in this little project, and I'm going to pass this over to him. I'm going to probably go out there next Saturday, and you'll see this piston getting installed in his 28 Franklin. So yeah. Now I gotta clean up the mess. But boy, I love using this Sagami lathe. It's a fun project here in the shop. I always enjoy it. Until next time, this is Doozer Shop.